Are you ready to break free from the 9 to 5 and start making real money online, even if you have zero experience? In this video, we're diving into 7 proven, legitimate ways to make money online in 2025. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes, they're sustainable methods real people are using right now. Stick around to the end for the hash, one mistake most beginners make, so you can avoid it. 7 proven ways to make money online in 2025, no experience needed. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing remains one of the easiest, fastest ways to start making money online. In 2025, demand for freelancers is bigger than ever. Businesses want on-demand help without hiring full-time. Offer services like writing, design, web development, video editing, or virtual assistants. Even with no experience, you can learn skills for free on YouTube or online courses. Pros: no upfront investment, fast start, work anywhere. Cons: income can be inconsistent, deadlines can be tough. Pro tip: start on Upwork or Fiverr but plan to get your own clients over time. Second one is print on demand. Print on demand is a business model where you design products and a supplier prints and ships them for you. No need to hold inventory. In 2025 it's booming thanks to global suppliers and easy-to-use tools. Sell on Etsy, Shopify, or Redbubble. Pros: low startup costs, no inventory, passive potential. Cons: highly competitive, marketing is essential. Pro tip: use Canva or Midjourney to make standout designs. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products and earning commissions. You can do this through blogs, YouTube videos, newsletters, or social media. In 2025, it thrives thanks to online shopping and trusted recommendations. Pros: high income potential, no product creation needed, any niche works. Cons: takes time to build trust and traffic. Some programs have low payouts. Pro tip: pick quality products you truly recommend. Number 4. Digital products. Digital products are items you create once and sell repeatedly. Examples include ebooks, courses, templates, stock photos, or music. People love digital products because they're instant and convenient. Demand is growing in 2025, especially for niche knowledge. Pros: passive income, no shipping, scales well. Cons: upfront work, needs marketing. Pro tip: start with a small $10 template to test demand before going big. Fifth one, content creation. Content creation is still one of the best ways to make money online. You don't need to show your face. Use voiceovers, slideshows, or animations. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, or selling products. Pros: creative freedom, multiple income streams, build your own audience. Cons: takes time to grow, needs consistent posting. Pro tip: focus on evergreen topics that get searches all year. Number 6. Remote customer support. More companies are hiring remote support agents than ever. Help customers via chat, email, or phone from home. No prior experience needed. Many companies provide training. Pros: reliable income, no advanced tech skills needed. Cons: fixed shifts, handling difficult customers. Pro tip: check remote.co, we work remotely, or flex jobs. Lastly, which is number 7, AI-powered services. One of 2025's biggest trends is using AI tools to offer services. Examples include writing with ChatGPT, creating voiceovers with 11 Labs, or generating art with Midjourney. Package these as services on freelancing sites or your own website. Pros: automates much of the work, high demand. Cons: tool costs, lots of competition. Pro tip: don't just deliver raw AI output, edit and personalize for quality. Before you go, here's the hash. One mistake beginners make: trying to do too many things at once. Pick one method, master it, grow it, then expand. Avoid shiny object syndrome, it will save you months of frustration. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and the bell icon so you don't miss our next deep dive. Which of these 7 methods will you try first? Comment below, I read every one. Thanks for watching, and here's to building your online income in 2025.